Hello, my name is Shengmiao Huang, and I am an international student from China. So I first came to study in the States when I was 17, and I was a senior year student in high school. And now I go to UMass Amherst and I study math and I double concentrate in applied math and actuarial math. So today I want to talk about a project that challenged me a lot, but also helped me a lot on learning about quantitative analysis. So I took stats 525 last semester, and it was about linear, multilinear, and polynomial regression model analyzing. So besides working on lecture materials and homework, we also did a big project throughout the whole semester. And it was on analyzing how or in what ways would some factors affect the house pricing. Either can be individually, combined, or interactively. So to be more specific, we were analyzing 76 single-family homes in Eugene and Oregon during the year of 2005. And it was based on their characteristics, such as size, facilities, amenities, locations, and etc. So our goal was to determine which factors have bigger effect on the pricing, while which other factors have less. And it was done by analyzing their linear, multilinear, and polynomial regression models that we created on SAI software. So, and moreover, we also use F-test and partial F-test to see if some of the factors could be removed from the data so that the data can be fit better to our model. I think it was a really challenging project for me and all the group members at that time because it was our first time dealing with anything about quantitative analysis. So at the very beginning, none of the regression models actually made sense to us because they did not seem to have any pattern at all. And we were all pretty frustrated from it. But then as we learned more and more about how to create a better regression model, such as we can use groups to separate points using different colors, and we can add dummy variables, and we can add second order and interactive terms into the model. More and more graphs we created later on started to make a lot of sense to us. And another thing we encountered at the beginning of the project that since we did not clearly know how does regression model analysis work, we did not know what was the best way to assign individual tasks. So we kind of started by assigning different person to different plot, such as I was doing box plots, and someone was doing QQ plots, and someone was doing residual analysis, and so on. But then we realized that in order for everyone to have a thorough and better understanding of this project, we have to discuss all different kinds of plots together instead of assigning each person with only one type of plot. So I think this project itself is already related to financial field a lot. And I believe all financial problems have a lot of things in common. So I think this experience really helped me a lot to have a general understanding about how does this work in real world, in real life. And it will definitely help me to have a better understanding of future financial studies and careers. Thank you.